This is everything you need to know to personalise your kitchen cabinetry. Hi, my name is Chrissy. Personalising your kitchen can dramatically change your space, and not to mention, it's easy to do. So come on, let's get into it. First up, you need to measure all 4 sides for where you want your trim to fit. With your measurements, cut your trim to size. To ensure your trim doesn't split, pre-drill 3 holes on your short side and 4 holes on your long side. Glue and nail in place. Using the putty, fill in the gaps, and when it's dry, give it a light sand. All that's left to do is to apply an undercoat and choose a lick of paint. Just remember to apply 2 coats of your chosen colour. And there you have it, personalised kitchen cabinetry. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.